I'm Sid, and this is Finley the fire engine. Big Fun Time's newest, reddest and friendliest friend. Join Finley and all of his friends in Friendlyville for lots of new adventures. And watch very carefully, because afterwards there will be Finley the fire engine quiz. So watch closely.
Finley the fire engine, that's the sound of his sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 somebody's calling. Clang, 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 there goes the bell. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines, here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley the fire engine, hear the sound of the sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 let's play with Finley. Clang, 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 hear the bell ring. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines, here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley the fire engine, that's the sound of his sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play.
It's morning!
Whoa, slow down, Finley. Where's the fire?
No fire, Captain Parker. I'm just super excited because today I'm going to play wheel hockey. It's really fun.
It must be to get you up before Mr. Bell.
Thanks, Scout. Watch this.
Yep, I played a little wheel hockey myself when I was your age. It's all in the hose.
All in the hose. Thanks, Captain Parker.
Good morning, fire station number 5. Hey, where's everyone gone?
All right, a little to the left. No, back to the right. Now, a little forward.
They look about right to me, Miguel.
According to the official wheel hockey rules and regulations, the goal cans have to be in the perfectly straight line. Ha! I thought so. 1/8 of a smidgen off. Back to the left, Scooty.
Oh, I just love watching these fine young vehicles play wheel football.
Wheel football? This is wheel hockey.
Oh.
Completely different. Oil drums for goalpost, lines on the pitch.
Well, whatever you want to call it, I find it absolutely thrilling to watch.
Hi, everybody. Look what Gorby found.
It's chalk. We can use it to mark the playing ground. See?
Great, that's perfect.
I know, and I found it in the bin. Can you believe somebody threw it away? The bin? Ugh, that chalk's dirty. Maybe, but it works really well.
Oi! Do any of you tireheads want to go to the building site with me? I need to collect a load of gravel.
No, thank you.
We're going to play wheel hockey.
Well, fine then. Play your silly game. Us real trucks have work to do.
I wonder what's wrong with him.
So do you want your usual, my dear?
All right, we're going to need 2 teams.
I pick Miguel.
Okay, Gorby, that means you're with me. You can be on our team, Jessie.
Me? Oh, no, Finley. I'm not very good.
Wheel hockey isn't about being good. It's about having a good time. You'll see.
But I don't even know how to play.
It's easy. You just have to kick the ball between those cans.
Well, I suppose I could try.
Okay, since we got 3 on our team, you lot get to start with the ball. Ready, Scout?
And the game is on! It's Miguel with the ball. He slams a sizzler to Scooty. He's got a green light to shoot.
I got it!
And it's intercepted by Finley. He passes to Gorby, who's in position to... No, wait! He's blocked by Scooty and Miguel. It's bumper to bumper out there.
Jessie, catch!
What? No, wait!
Oh, I can't look.
Finley gets the pass. He shoots. He scores. Goal! That's 1 point for Finley's team with an assist from Jessie.
I made an assist?
Yay!
I made an assist!
Yeah!
What's an assist?
An assist is when you help score a goal by setting up a shot for your teammate, like Finley.
Oh, I get it. I made an assist.
Oh, does this belong to you?
Yes, we're playing wheel hockey.
Are you sure you're not playing fetch? Ha!
Why did you do that, Dex? We were having fun until you came along.
Well, your stupid ball was in my way. I have a ton of gravel to unload. Oops. I'm sorry. Is that where you were playing?
Well, that wasn't very nice.
Ha! I can't remember asking you, Shorty. Besides, it's just a stupid game.
If I was big like Super Truck, Dex wouldn't be able to pick on us like that.
Oh, gravel on the field is definitely not regulation. Suppose we better start cleaning up.
I'll be right back. I'm just going to try and find the ball. Come on, Scout. I can't believe Dex would wreck our game like that, Scout. I wonder why he's such a bully. Do you see the ball anywhere?
Hi there, Finley. What are you doing out here? I thought today was your big wheel hockey game.
It was. Till Dex came along and ruined it.
What happened?
He kicked our ball all the way out here and dumped gravel where we were playing.
Oh, that's too bad. Sounds like he wanted to end your game.
Yeah, I don't know why he always has to be such a big bully.
I don't suppose anyone asked if Dex wanted to play wheel hockey too.
Dex? Are you joking? He's always calling it a silly game and making fun of us.
You know, Finley, sometimes when someone like Dex feels left out or lonely, he tries to cover it up by being tough and mean to others.
Really?
That way, if he's not having fun, no one else can have fun either.
Do you think that's why Dex is being so mean? Because he really just wants to play with the rest of us?
Could be, little fellow.
Oh, there. I think that's all of it. Now we just need to fix the goalposts.
Oh, no, not again.
Oh, go away, Dex. We've just finished cleaning up your mess.
Oh, so now I suppose you're going to play that silly game again.
Yes, we are. And there's just one thing I want to ask you, Dex. Do you want to play with us?
Finley, what are you doing?
Play wheel hockey with all of you? I don't know. I mean, it's just a silly game and it doesn't look much fun. Still, you tireheads obviously need someone with talent to show you how it's done. Come on, you're on my team.
And it looks like the game is back on, hockey fans.
Hey, over here! I'm open! Nice shot, Shorty.
Teamwork, teamwork, it's going to take some teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork to get the job done. Teamwork, teamwork, it's all it takes is teamwork. Teamwork, 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 so much fun.
And then Dex blocked Scorby's shot, but Jessie and I still scored a goal.
Well, sounds like Dex ended up being fun to play with after all.
Yep, you were right, Captain Parker. He wasn't a bully anymore once we invited him to play with us.
It's always better when everyone plays. Why, back when I was a little engine, we'd get the whole neighborhood to join in. The thing about wheel hockey is, it always manages to tire you out. Isn't that right, Finley? Finley?
Hey, hey, Finley, the fire engine's rolling into town. Hey, hey, Finley, you're the fire engine of the year. Let's go, Finley, we light up whenever you're around.
Hello, Fireman Sid here, and I do hope you enjoyed
Finley, the fire engine.
and all his friends, and I hope you were paying close attention to everything that you saw. That means you're ready for Finley the Fire Engine Quiz. Yes, every day this week I'm going to be asking a question about Finley and his friends. Now, some of those questions could be quite easy. Some of them could be quite tricky. The question right now is, are you up for the challenge? Are you ready for Finley the Fire Engine Quiz? Yes, now let me give you the first question. Ooh, it seems a little bit tricky, but if you were watching very carefully, you'll know the answer. The question is, what was the name of the mean dumper truck? What was the name of the mean dumper truck? Your thinking time starts now. Okay, stop thinking, your time is up. Now I'll give you the question one more time. What was the name of the mean dumper truck? And the answer is Dex. Congratulations if you got that one right. And if you didn't, never mind, there'll be another question tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Big fun time!
Okay, neurons, time to get to work. Touch, hear, see, smell, taste.
With Nina and the neurons, you've got everything to gain as they explain exciting things that go on in your brain, like sight and sound and taste and touch, and don't forget to smell. Nina and her neurons do experiments as well. So if you've got a question and you really need to know, make sense of your senses with their scientific show.
We've got an answer for everything.
Nina and the Neurons, weekdays at 5:15 on CBeebies.
Do you know which one of Nina's new